Speaking of gaming, crushing, it's not just PlayStation. It's not just Xbox. Nintendo. What's going on with Nintendo?
Yeah, they didn't launch anything this year.
The Nintendo Switch
console,
is hot. Will, why is it so hot?
Is it really?
USA shipments are up 30% year on year in October.
Oh,
What's going on with that? It's been out for a while. I know they had a light one. People think this new bundle has something to do with it. You know, they have the Mario Kart bundle going on.
with the real action Mario?
No,
Kart,
not
or-
that one. I mean, they're
oh,
selling that
the
thing
digital
too.
game.
But they're just doing a Mario Kart, what is it, 8
Oh yeah,
Deluxe?
That's fun.
combo.
Yeah.
And the parents, it's much like I was saying before, they love that. They love the gift that looks like that.
Yeah, the nice package.
You come home with that right there
Oh, yeah.
for the youngsters.
And then your friends get them too.
Oh man, look how cool that looks.
Multiplayer.
That's so nostalgic for me, that type of thing. Anyway, apparently their shipments are up. Multiple sellouts. Nintendo Switch Mario Kart 8 Deluxe bundle at stores. Nintendo shipped millions of these for Black Friday shopping period alone. This is nuts. This is a tweet that I'm reading, by the way, from Player Essence. I guess this bundle is also being scalped on Amazon as well. People charging more for it. Okay, let me just put something out there, Will. Is it possible that the hype around PlayStation and Xbox led to the elevation of Nintendo being able to be that next option when those are sold out?
Yeah. Yeah.
And then they're getting a little extra boost from the buyer who's like, well, I'm not going to sit around. I'm not going to keep chasing down those consoles. I'll just try out this little Switch over here. Save a few bucks, and people are having fun anyway.
Yeah. Yeah. I agree with that.
Maybe there's a piece of it that's that. But also, I should say, I don't want to give too much credit to those new consoles because the Switch was already selling really well. In fact, as of September, the Switch's lifetime sales were at 68.3 million. So there's a lot of Nintendo Switches out there. It is a unique thing in the marketplace, and it speaks to the taste for gaming and how, at least for me, how the smartphone hasn't done what it was supposed to do.
Take over gaming?
Because if you look at the Nintendo Switch, it is kind of a mobile gaming device, right? Especially the Lite.
Yeah.
And so it will go head to head against the smartphone. And if you're moving 70 million units so far, I mean, there's going to be another 10 million on top of that, probably this holiday season. That's a lot of people who are not satisfied with just using their phone to game.
And Nintendo makes some good games.
Well, that's a key factor.
Proprietary
That's a key factor.
characters.
I mean, I feel like playing Mario Kart right now. I don't know.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know what it is. I don't know what did it.